Controversy over CM Mamata Banerjee's gun salute proposal for late Buddha D.B. Bhattacharya. Following charge of former West Bengal CM Buddha D.B. Bhattacharya, CM Mamata Banerjee proposed a state gun salute as a mark of respect. However, filmmaker anecdote, a cozy family friend, requested Bhattacharya's widow, Meera Bhattacharya, to decline cha or sitting cha late leaders preferring for simplicity. Meera agreed, leading to a public debate. Supporters say Thesas staying true to Bhattacharya's values, while others argue it diminishes state recognition of his contributions. Cha controversy has sparked broader discussions on cha appropriations of state awards for political figures, especially those which a history of opposition to cha ruling party. As cha state recognition Bhattacharya's lack, cha incident raises important questions about our leaders and respect cha personal beliefs in diets.